So we've got injured fish, and it's time to put a net up around the sail pond. So stay tuned and see how we do it and how to keep your fish safe. Hey tribe, and welcome back to Cape Fear Koi. If you're new, thanks for joining. Hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell for getting more videos like this. If you are returning, thanks for coming back. Today, it's been a couple days since I've been back in town. I was out of town for 2 weeks. It's mid-November and we are entering peak predator season. Our major nemesis here is the great blue heron, and I noticed yesterday looking at my fish, or actually 2 days ago when I got back, that one of my fish here, in my sail tank, is swimming crooked. It has a kind of a crooked head, you know, like its back seems twisted. It could be sprained or possibly broken. It's an asagi, and I suspect a heron was here when I was out of town, and we had to leave abruptly, and I didn't have a chance to prep the ponds. So today I'm going to put a nylon net. I like to use bird netting that a lot of people, poultry people, you know, like chicken owners and so on, we actually use it for our chicken coop on top to keep the hawks and things and the owls out. And so it works really good for koi ponds. We've had our current net up over our chickens for 3 years, and it's just as good as new. So I highly recommend that one. It's also slightly flexible, so you can pull on it. It's a little taut, or to make it taut. Good for keeping the leaves out, and it folds up and packs better than the hard plastics that you get at some of the hardware stores. I get it at Amazon. I think I buy it 30 by 50, and I think it's under 50 bucks. So I highly recommend it. And so I just wanted to stress the importance of putting that net up. Don't wait till it's too late. Unfortunately, I did, and don't make the same mistake I did. It's always better to learn from other people's mistakes. So anyways, I'm gonna throw this net up. I'm kind of gonna show you what net we use, and it's very simple. We like to put our nets close to the water surface because predators, even herons, if it's a foot and a half, they will still try to get under the net, and a lot of times they get tangled up, and you end up messing up the pond. Bird gets injured. So anyways, I'm gonna start setting it up, and I'll show you the fish also, and why I suspect it got damaged. It has an abrasion on its side, and you can also see some bruising. So unfortunately, the fish, I may have to put it down. I'm going to wait a couple days to see if it improves. It's a little bit better than it was 2 days ago, but I suspect it has back damage, and unfortunately I might have to put it down. So until the next little clip, I'm going to go catch the fish and show you it, and put the net up and kind of give you an insight on what's going on here. All right, thanks. All right, so the fish is right here, and we're going to bring it on up. So you can see on the side, you see it's crooked, how it's got a bend in its back, right up here towards the shoulder. Right here, this spot right here. So a couple days ago, it was more of a nick, like a scrape. I suspect the beak got it right there. So I'm gonna treat that, and hope it cures. You can kind of see all the bruising where it must have speared it here and here, like the beak went into it and struck it like that. You can see the scales are raised a little bit right there. So I'm going to put an ointment on that, and hope something happens. But it's a real shame. It's beautiful fish, but I don't feel good about it overall. You can see it wants to live, but I just don't think it's going to have a quality life afterwards. So that's it. Just wanted to show you maybe what to look for in case you suspect this happens to yours. Okay, so that's it. I'm going to fine tune it a little bit, but just wanted to show you. So we get ours right on the surface, so no predators can get in. This will block some of the large leaves. I've got a magnolia here with these big old waxy leaves, and but this will keep everything out. And I'm gonna make it removable. I'm gonna put it in a simple way where I can just fold it back if I have to access inside, catch a fish or anything like that. I keep it above the water so the fish don't get tangled in it, and that's it. Super simple, and I'm pretty much set for the winter time now. So, all right, well that's it, and thanks for joining. We'll see you next time, and well, that's it on the Cape Fear Court. Appreciate it. See you.